Hi, welcome to Apex Connect. In this video, you will see how we connect Dynamics 365 with Genesys, thus adding contact center and enterprise communication features within your Dynamics app. Apex Connect does three things really well. First, CIF based integration that makes communication a native app within Microsoft Dynamics. Second, a no-code application helps run down your time and integration costs from months to just few minutes. And third, and the most important one, intuitive user interfaces that reduce user time and effort in robotic activities around communications workflow. Let's have a look at how this works. Apex Connect adds Genesys as a common integration framework that is always available on your Dynamics app. Users log in with single sign-on using Active Directory or using the custom credentials provided by the administrator. Enter details, click, and that's it. Welcome to the full feature set of Genesys Enterprise Communication within your Dynamics app. Users set presence management preferences, available, break, or other break options when not at desk, and also view their login hours. MyCube tab lists the live interactions with customers and also the history of recent conversations for a quick reference when needed. The Conversations tab to make and receive calls or chat easily from within Dynamics 365. Make a manual dial or receive conversations from assigned inbound and outbound dialer campaigns. When conversing, browse through associated contacts or accounts or any other custom Dynamics entity. The Expand View button populates the relevant info and activity page for the conversation. Pin the customer details that are relevant to be tagged to the conversation. Collaborate by making use of the advanced communication features to place a conversation on hold or mute. Transfer to an available subject matter expert or a group of subject matter experts. Confer with an expert. Or disconnect to add a disposition and an associated communication workflow. You could also take quick notes useful for further reference about this conversation. This would automatically be updated in the activity timeline in your Dynamics CRM. Add a disposition and sub-dispositions to the conversation for future record or to associate with further workflow. When customer requests to be called at a different time, dispose to schedule a call for self or with any other person in the team. When the customer requests to be called on a different number, dispose the check follow-up option, continue conversation on the alternate number. Similarly, just like calls, receive chat from configured channels like web chat, mobile, SDK, or other instant messaging channels that are configured. Converse with the customer, transfer to a subject matter expert or a group, add notes, and dispose. Among others, change your availability to centrally managed communication campaigns such as inbound for customer queries or service calls over chat, or central outbound dialer campaigns that are assigned to you. Apex Connect brings many benefits for Dynamics 365 users. The prominent among them being rich enterprise communication functionalities of predictive dialer, ACD, IVR, voice recording, skill-based routing, reporting, and many more. The flexibility in tagging dynamic CRM entities to the conversation, freedom from siloed application usage, which would also lead to repetitive data duplicity among various systems, and the most important thing, it's easy for the user, it's fast, and helps increase the productivity for the users. Well, that's a sneak view into a very high level user benefits with Apex Connect. Definitely a bliss for business users, but Apex Connect also brings value to our audience among IT, operations, and administration. Setting up Apex Connect to configure Genesys for Dynamics 365 is fast and so easy. It can be done in under 5 minutes. Step 1. After registration, you set the primary entity and secondary entity per your business goal, followed by a call search parameter or what param you wish Dynamics to search and display for the set entity. Once done, step 2. Log into Dynamics as the administrator, add a new CAF and point to the URL ID generated by Apex Connect. Then choose the apps of Dynamics 365 for which you need to enable Apex Connect for Genesys, followed by the user roles that need this function. Save and done. Apex Connect truly makes it effortless for both users and administrators. Thank you for patiently watching our walkthrough. We will keep posting updates on ongoing enhancements to the app. Do subscribe to your newsletter or drop a line to genesys@apexconnect.com for any queries. Thank you.